New unemployment numbers came out for Ohio, and the rate is up for 2 months in a row now.
The Department of Job and Family Services says Ohio's jobless rate increased to 9% in July from 8.8% in June. This means the numbers of workers unemployed in Ohio last month was about 529,000. Meanwhile, there was another sell-off on Wall Street today, with the Dow down about 170 points. But the news isn't all bad. In fact, we found some jobs that are coming to Northeast Ohio instead of going to China. CRISTIN Severance with the Ohio News Network has the story from our newsroom.
DANITA, 300 jobs are coming to North Canton from China. Suarez Manufacturing Industries is ready to open a space heater assembling plant. They are set to set up shop in an old factory the community relied on for 100 years.
It's so important that we do a really good job so that we can, bring this back to what it once was.
Born and raised in North Canton, Hope PAOLINI knows how big a part the Hoover Company was to her city.
It's a part of our fabric. Our high school was named after, the Hoover Company.
Her grandfather once worked in the factory.
Everybody had someone in their family that worked for the Hoover Company.
And almost everybody knew someone who lost a job when the factory shut down.
That's how people identify themselves. They identify themselves with their career, their work. And it's just so important to bring some of that back.
Her company is bringing 300 jobs back to the area, work that used to be done in China. Suarez Manufacturing Industries will assemble Eden Pure space heaters in one of the old Hoover buildings, filling the 200,000 square foot warehouse with machines, people, and life again.
It just gives you chills.
Before work began, walking through the old Hoover factory was almost surreal for the soon-to-be director of operations.
So incredibly humbling to just see where so many jobs were housed and lost, that it makes we have to succeed.
Not just to succeed, but become iconic. PAOLINI is hoping Suarez Manufacturing will mean to her kids what the Hoover Company once did to her.
They want to be a part of this. They don't care how, if they have to draw a picture of a heater and tell me to take it to work and hang it on the wall. They want to be a part. They already feel it. It's a feeling, it's an excitement, it's almost like a static energy that you just can't even put your finger on.
All right, so the plant will open next week on a limited basis and be fully operational on September 6th. So everyone's just really excited to get started. DANITA?
All right, anytime you hear about new jobs, Chris, it's very encouraging news.
I know, especially hundreds.
Yes, thank you, Chris.
Sure.